There we go. Way more button, way more shutter press needed than I'm used to.
Yeah. Can I try?
Please do. Absolutely.
So, I mean, how long will it continue?
I have 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes is 100% value of distortion.
Yeah.
Yes, please can play a PR.
This reminds me. I'm waiting for her.
Yeah.
All the way to launch yourself?
I have, just to know where that break is.
So, look at that, and you.
Yeah, you're taller. That's my.
I know, it's
There
you go.
That's where I need to fix out. Yeah. Yeah, it's about 2 minutes once it really gets crazy, but you get a good amount of distortion after about a minute.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, it was fine to how long.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Oh, yeah. It's the end of the semester.
Yeah, it's the end of the semester.
You got pride.
That's great.
You know what's cool is once the depth starts really pulling, you know, you can have your face collapse in on each other.
There's nothing people would rather look at than themselves.
Yeah, it's true, right? Especially if you can make it look pretty cool.
All the early video stuff had showed people themselves.
Yeah, oh, that's
Isn't that
nice.
neat? Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, really like that. That's
Well, I use the color channel as one, and I use the alpha channel as the other.
very
So that's where the threshold comes up pretty high.
Ha!
Yeah, it's so cool.
Super awesome.
He's making my piece, right?
Columbia too. It's funny.
It is funny. It's like out of his chest. Oh, it broke it. Cool. Thanks, man.
Oh, wait.
Thank you.
That's cool.